Lovers of seafood, come here because we have a meeting with those we want to recruit into our association with this very delicious but simple octopus skewers. Yes, they are grilled, so stay tuned. So, to start our grilled octopus kebabs, we are going to boil our octopus. So, I've cleaned my octopus and cut them out into smaller shapes that will be presentable on the skewers or the kebab sticks. Okay, so into my boiling water I'm going to add some salt to taste, and then I'll go ahead and add my cleaned octopus. Previously or a while back I shared a video of how to blanch octopus, so this is slightly different because we are going to be cooking this octopus for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're unsure if it's done, just poke a fork into one of them. And if it goes through nicely, then you know your octopus is ready for the next stage. At this point, mine is looking good already, and it sort of like begins to float on the water. Okay, so you know you're good. And then I'm going to turn the heat off, drain the octopus, and allow it to cool down at room temperature. So in my bowl here, I'm going to prepare the marinade for the kebabs. Okay, I have some oil in there. I'm going in with some ginger and garlic paste or grated, and then I'm going in with some suya spice, and then some powdered pepper or cayenne pepper. I'll give this a good mix and then throw in my room temperature octopus. So, of course, you can also say this recipe is suya grilled octopus kebabs or skewers. I mean, when it comes to YouTube, you can name your recipe anything you want, okay? So, once my octopus goes in, you can see I added a bit of salt because I forgot in the beginning, and then I'll give this a mix. So, with seafood, you don't want your seafood sitting down, or you don't want it marinating for a long time, okay? So once all this was mixed up nicely, I gave this 20 minutes and then we were good to go. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and also share when you're done watching. I'll truly appreciate that. So now my octopus has been covered beautifully with our marinade. I'm going to set it aside, but before then, I'll show you what I'm going to use for the kebabs. I have here some onions and green pepper, very basic. And then I soaked my skewers or kebab sticks in water so they don't burn in the grill, okay? And I'll be skewing my kebabs after 20 minutes. So I am using my air fryer. When I started recording this video, seriously, I was bent on making this charcoal grilled, okay? But along the line, it began to rain. And then I was like, oh, then boycott mission. So I used my air fryer to do the grilling. You can use your oven as well. If you do not have the oven or the air fryer, you can also use your stovetop. Just put a skillet on the stovetop or even a non-stick pan. Okay, and then watch closely, begin to turn the kebabs from time to time so that you get the char on every side. Okay, so what I'm brushing on my octopus kebabs is the leftover from the marinade. Okay, it's going to give it extra juice, so do not forget to do that. So this goes into my air fryer, and when it's out, look at that yumminess. Of course, I sprinkled more suya spice or suya pepper on it, and it was finished in no time. I hope you try this recipe, and as they say, come back and thank me later. Give me a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below, share when you're done watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and until I see you again in another video, please keep blooming.